Read. Today, tomorrow, tonight, today, tomorrow, tonight, today. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Fishing.
What are we doing? Fly. I'll be like, oh, hey, chimpoo. We're fucking fishing. Look, fishing. Dragon scope. Look, got some floats. Where's your spinners? Where are they? Got some spinners and feathers. I'm going to go fishing. Whoa, look at that. Is there any fish in there?
Yeah,
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Are you going to get one today? Who's going to get one because Jack's here now?
I'm getting open.
Are you going to get one? Who's going to get more?
Me.
Not me. Come on, get back. Oh, what the fuck? Dick had to shit myself. Look. Right, simple setup, look. Got a little stopper here, look. So, float goes up like that. And we've got our weight. Swivel. And a little bit of mackerel belly for bait. Oh yeah, and he's on spinners and feathers. But we'll do float first. Come on in. Right, we've seen some bait fish, haven't we, Jack?
Yeah.
What are they called?
Sprats.
Sprats, correct. So for sprats we've got these little tiny. Come here, keep still. Called sabikis. So we'll catch. Oh, our focus. So we're going to try and catch some sprats to put on the hooks for the mackerel. Right, go on then, Jack. No, right, go on. Just drop it down, straight down. Hey, come here. Straight down there, look, right. No, just drop it straight down. Right, go on then, Jack. Noah. Jack's over there, look.
Hello.
He's spinning. Good lad. Watch it, watch him. Watch the bars on the thing. Right, go on then, Noah's going to catch some bait fish. Go on then, let the bail arm off. Go on, drop it straight down. No, you don't need to cast, let the bail arm off. Just drop it straight down, go on. Go on, lad. Right, let it hit the bottom, let it hit the bottom. Now put it on. Good lad. Right, and then reel it in a little bit. And then there you go. Jig, and then you can feel it at the bottom, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, and we'll be back when we've got some bait fish, mackerel,
Dad,
slack offs. What?
look.
Well, go on then, reel in. I think you got one already. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, so he's got. Whoa, look at that. Go on, reel him in. Watch the pier. Right, reel. Reel. Right, stop. Does. Where's he going? Hello. Go on, you got free sprat gear up there, me charmy. Whee! Round 2 of the sprats. Should we fill the freezer up for sprats for fishing? Well, have you got any more? Can you look at the rod? Do you think you got one? Go on then, put it over. Right, go on, Avi, you do that. Avi.
Hello.
Oh, look, he's got another 3 already. What's go on? Just reel, Noe. You're going to hit the pier. Oh wait, you need to reel, mate. Fast. Look, sprats. Go on, reel, faster. Right, stop. Bring it back. Stop. Bring them in. More sprats. Get up there. There's no shortage of sprats, is there? No? How many you had now? Right, come here, get them in. Go on, lift your rod up. Right, look at that. How many's there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sprats, get up there. Good bait. We've got one on float. Hey, who's down here? Hey, Brand. Who's going to catch most,
Who's going to catch more?
Me, Sprat.
Ah, right, game on. I'm going to catch more than you are.
I've already got those 2 sprats, haven't I?
You have, I think you got more than me, son. Get up there. Let's have a look. Go on. What do you say there, Jack? He's a crisp.
It's like 5.
6 going on.
Go on, no, it's a full house. Go on, keep reeling. Reel. Go on, reel.
I'm getting the next one.
Oh, stop. Let's have a look at these.
No, I'm doing this. Dad, look.
Yeah, one. Oh, no, Jack, do not run in. Right, there's another one. Bag's getting full now. Look, go on. Now it's Jack's turn, isn't it? Go up. Right, what you got? You got out?
Yeah, Lord.
Go on then, get him up. Jesus Christ, I think we've got. Hey, it's good for sprats today, isn't it? Well, that'll. Come here, bring it here. What? Right.
That's nearly a full house.
It is. 2 missing. Yeah. Right, go on then. Lay that down. Catch a sprat. What?
See that, mate?
Yeah, here, mate. I had some of them before. You got, Harvey?
Yeah.
What you got?
Fish.
Bring them in then. What you got?
Fish.
Fishing! Fishing! Bring them in. Right, come here. You went a bit too far. Look, there we go. Lay them down. Put the rod down. Right, get them off, and then we'll put them in bag.
Oh, it's already off.
We're going to get sprats today, boys. Loads of bait. Go on, 5-year-old, big cast. Straight that way, son. Go on, big eye. Go on. Good cast. Good cast. Good lad. Now, go on, reel. Go on, son. What you got? What you got? You got a fish there? Look at that concentration. Reel it. Pump it. Pump it, Noah. Go on, reel, reel, reel. Faster, son. Go on. Go on, you can do it. Go on, use them muscles. Yeah. You got one, Noah. Go on, look at that. You got biscuits on his chest. Biscuits. Go on, quick, reel.
It's up there. It's there. There's 3.
Go on, reel. He got 3 now. Go on, Noah.
Oh my gosh.
Go on, reel, reel, reel.
Noah.
Go on, son. Look at them.
He's got 2. Oh no, 3. Wait.
Go on, Noah. Go on, there's 3. Go on, Noah. Go on, Noah. Reel. Pump it. Pump it. Look at the rod. Go on, son. Go on. Help. Reel. Help him reel. Go on, he got 3. Look at that. Go on, Noah. Reel.
Come on now, come on.
Right, come here. Handline it. Come here. Oh, look at that, boy. Look at that, boy. Quick, right. Keep on the rod. What are you let go of the rod for? Go on, reel. Reel. Reel it, Noah. Reel it. I can't do anything. Go on. Right, have you got it? Right, lift her up. Lift her up. Go on, keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Oh my gosh, 3 at a time and I've not.
Go on, really. Noah, grab it. Noah, grab your rod. Grab your rod, Noah.
3 at a time and I've not.
Noah! Look what you got there, Noah. Hey. Look at that, Noah. Get up there, boy. Yeah, man. Go there, boy. Look at him. He's got other boys around him. Look. Look on. Go on. Have you got one there, son? All on your own? Nah. 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 Yeah. Go on, give it in then. Give it up. Nah, it's seaweed. Oh, look at it. It's coming in. No, is it bollocks? Look at that. Where is it?
No, he's a fish. He's a fish.
Where is it?
Down there.
Where?
Right down there.
Right, watch out. Right there. Go on, Noah. Keep going. Keep going. Go on, Noah. Keep going. Keep going. Go on. It's a bigger Noah. Look at that. Go on. No, it's not right. Go on. Go on, Noah. Reel. 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 Go on. Go on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Big muscles. Big muscles. Go on. Right. Go on. Reel. A couple more times. Go on. Right. Everyone move. Everyone move. Are you ready?
Hey!
Look at the size of that. Here, Noah. Grab that. Look what you got. Look at the size of that! Look at the size of that! Get up there, my son! Eat it! Yeah, boy! Look at this little guy. What's your name, son?
Tyler.
Tyler again, look. First go on, mackerel. First mackerel. Go on, son. How many you got? Give him a go. I know his rod. Go on, son. Is he your first mackerel?
Yeah.
Alright, he's a one or more. Where are they? Mate.
Here we go.
You got 2, bro. You got 2.
Come on, bro.
Go on, get him up. Right, where they're with our handball and where they're. Come, go back, go back, go back. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Right, stop, move. Hey! Well done, my friend. Well done, my. What were you just saying? You haven't caught what?
I've caught a mackerel.
No, you caught 2 at once. Get up there, my friend. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Go on, another one there, bro. Go on, reel it then. Look at that fish. Go on. Have you got one or not? Oh, it's gone. Nah.
No, it hasn't. I don't think, has it?
Yeah, nah. Better look next time. Nah. Nah. I just got shot by a mackerel. Oh, Brad, what you got? What you got? What you got? Mackerel, yeah, boy. Get up there. Look at that.
Let's just chop its head and tail off that.
Look at that. Get up there, my friend. Brandon, go on. Send it to this. What you call proper fisherman look. Really? Whoa, go on, son! Whoa. Just got a seagull there, bro. Get back. Go on, son. Look, pissing down. Get up there. Get up there, me son. We're still here. Still here. God. Tyler, now it's going. Tyler, where you go? Where you go?
A mackerel.
It's a mackerel. Yeah. Right, look. Everyone gone. Last boy standing. Hey, hey. Eat it. Go on, Brad. Oh, shit. Go on here, go on, Brad. It's going. Whoa, get out there, my friend. Come on then, son. Get up. What was that, lasso? Get up. Banjo, one tickle.